Good morning, this is Steve O'Hare from Signal Centre, and this morning is Wednesday 16th of June. The time is 7:50 in the morning UK time, and we're going to run through the energy sector. We're going to look at crude oil, both WTI and Brent, and then we're also going to look at natural gas, look at the technical levels, technical formations, and prices to watch really over the coming days and what's gone on previously. We'll start with the WTI crude oil. And as we've spoken about over the last while now, we're in a five-wave impulsive move higher. The target really for this seems to be around about the 76.80 level. We're trading 72.22 currently, and the main thing we can see from this formation is wave 3 is never the shortest wave, and wave 3 is equal to wave 1, so we expect wave 5 to be shorter than wave 3. So we see the resistance between 76.80 and 79.30, the 50% Fibonacci retracement level, as pretty key, and where prices are expected to stall. WTI crude oil continues the bullish move higher. Looking at it from on a intraday on a daily basis, we can see the pretty strong move higher yesterday, and we moved from 70.60 all the way up to 72.14, so a really nice move. We have interim resistance coming in at 72.84 and 73.64, so a little band from previous swing high levels that will act as resistance in the coming hours and days. On an hourly chart, I like to have the ATR levels. This gives us these are pretty good when it comes to sort of scalping the market on a short-term basis. They're coming in at $71 and 73.60, so in line with that interim resistance. On the Brent crude, we're looking at a pretty similar level. Obviously, it's trading at a premium. We're trading at a $1.60 premium currently, but we do have this downward trending resistance line, which will act as interim resistance. This is coming in at 77.80. But again, we believe this is in, and I'll show you how we draw it. This is in an impulsive move higher. From these levels here, we get wave 1, we get the correction, we get wave 3, which is normally the biggest wave. And we're looking at either stalling around this level, or maybe even potentially 86.62, which is a similar level to the 76.80 that we see in WTI crude oil. Let's go in to see the real sort of other levels to watch on a shorter term basis. The ATR weekly levels come in at $75.15. And that's the resistance, and the support coming in at 72.71, and you can see how this plays off these resistance and support levels on this grind higher. Natural gas, we highlighted this as really interesting. On the daily chart, we were in a triangle formation, and we had two real serious levels to watch, and this is broken above the resistance. So we were consolidating within this triangle formation. It failed to break above the $3.20 level, but eventually did on the 11th last week, and that was Friday. And we can see that we've had a retracement yesterday on the 15th, and this for me will be a retest of the $3.20. Now the previous swing high comes in at 343. That for me is a prime target, and the dip back down to here we should see support between 316 and 320, and for a potential to set longs to target the 343 move. A break below there would then see the 304 to 305 level come into play, but key support coming in at 291. I hope you've enjoyed the analysis on the energy sector today. Thanks for joining me, and look forward to speaking to you next week.